Now in this tutorial we're going to style and color our slide menu links. So let's get there and I'll show you what that actually is. So we click General Settings, Styles and Colors, and then we will click Slide Menu Links right here. And these are the things that we can change. But first let me show you what the slide menu actually is. Uh, Click Menu and it slides out. Uh, pretty clever name, Slide Menu Links, huh? But that's your slide menu links right here. So what we can do, we all know what reset colors does. It resets them back to the default colors. Again, with the slide menu links, just like the main links, we have some pre-made templates that you can use if you want to. What's default looks very similar to this, not the coloring, but with the icon to the left and the text to the right. If we want, we can go to link templates and pick something else. I don't know. Let's see what that looks like there. And you see it just changed it to the pre-made template. Or we can do something like I don't know. We'll do this one, and you see that's what it does. There is it changes to whatever you want to do. But since I did not save it, uh, it won't do that. So let me refresh my browser so we can get back to the normal one. So general settings, styles and colors. Give it just a second for all the code to load up. And then we'll click menu and you see that it goes back to the default since of course we didn't save it. So you can certainly choose a pre-made, and when you do choose a pre-made, those colors aren't set in stone. You can go through and change those colors. If you just like the way it looks, one of these pre-made templates, then use it. And of course you don't like the colors don't fit with your app, which they probably won't right out of the box, then you can just change the colors. It's simple enough to do. So let's go to settings, and of course this is your background, which is going to be the actual background uh, of the slide menu. And usually how that comes into play is if you don't have a lot of links here, say you had like 4 links, well this slide out menu is going to continue to go all the way to the bottom. So that would be your background. With all of this in the foreground, you're not really going to see the background color. You can of course set your width. Uh, Again, oh, there's the background right there. That's a good way to show you the background right there. It's behind these actual links. What do we have here? Height. You can change all the height. That would be interesting if you did one. In fact, we'll change that. You can see how it changes the actual background color, but not the actual links. Now there will be a place where you can change the transparency, but that's actually on the transparency for like the icon content box. I'll show you that. In fact, let's change the background color to something like black. And then when we do the transparencies, you'll be able to see what's going on. So we did that border size. You guys know about border sizes. You guys know about border radiuses, what it does, that sort of thing. Border colors, you guys know about that. I'm not going to belabor all of this. Icon content box. We've gone over this in previous videos, but just in case you don't know about what the icon content box is this box right here that goes around the actual icon. So we can make the box, huge or really small, or make it completely go away if you don't want an icon at all. You can change the location of the icon left to right, top, uh, none if you don't want any icon at all there. You can just do whatever you want to do. Background transparency for the icon content box. So you see how our background is black. If I take the transparency down, then that black will shine through. Or I can make it not shine at all, and that's where the background color comes in here. So as you see the background color goes, what is that? That's sort of white, like an off-white, and that pink, and you see it goes white, pink, uh, and that's, say I wanted to move them around, we can move them around. We can add additional colors, and that will just white, pink, black. It's pretty close to black. So you got that. You understand how that works. Again, border style. We've been, you actually have to have a border to actually see it, but you see what's going on with that, and you can play with that however you want. You can radius it, and again, I don't want to belabor this because if you've been watching these styles and color videos, a lot of the options are the same. Border color, obviously, we can change the color of the border, and we can have multiple border colors as we add colors. It'll just keep adding and go in order that you have here. We can move them. Uh, let's go to icon, which of course the icon is obviously that. We can do the icon transparency, which you basically can't see it because it's now transparent. You can make it less transparent. Obviously, you can make the icon bigger, smaller. Of course, the icon box. Let me make that box a little bit bigger so we can actually see what's going on here. So when we make the icon size bigger, smaller, whatever you want to do there. Again, we can add colors, and it just adds, and it just does, white, black, black, just like this, white, black, white, black. Border style, you guys know how to do that. You know what it does. Border width, border radius, so you can make things look pretty neat. Border padding, we can add another color. We can remove color, make it all red. You just have to play with it. It's simple enough. Simple enough. The text content box. Obviously, this is the text, and this is the box that it comes in. So again, you can make the box bigger, smaller, location. Now the box is moved to the left. We put the box at the bottom, to the right. Background transparency again. We can do it however we want to do it. Background colors. Let's remove that one. Let's add a crazy color in there. And of course, again, as you see, white and whatever that blue color is right there. Move things around. Border style, you guys have this under control. Border size, you've got it. Border radius, you see what's going on. Add another color. You guys get it. It's not hard. Uh, the text, right there. Obviously, we can make the text centered or to the right, to the left. We can do the padding, if you want to. Let's see how that works. So we put it in center. If you put it center, it's just going to stay centered. But we can move it like that. Text color, obviously, you know how to do that. The font, tons of fonts to choose from. Text size, text weight, style, decoration if you want it underlined. But that's it for the slide menu links. Again, it's just the menu right there, slide menu links, easy enough, and that'll conclude this tutorial.